little bit we need to know, then we're moving to new tool. That is my intention. Okay, I'm opening Windows here, MS Paint. Please subset. I think everybody know operating system. See, without hardware, is there any use of operating system? Anyone can quickly respond. Without hardware, is there any use of? Anyone quickly respond?
No, sir.
No. Suppose, see, assume this is the hardware. We're thinking about physical computers, Control Z. There assume this is the hardware. Generally, if you go for maybe if you want to purchase a laptop, if you want to purchase a desktop, that simply we may ask for configuration, right? Which configuration do you want? I am the shopkeeper. You may enter into my shop. I may ask you, madam or sir, which type of system you need. You may tell something, right? What you may tell? Quickly respond three to four names. My maybe my friends told like I need my requirement is maybe 12th generation. 12th generation. Next 16 GB RAM. 16 GB RAM. What is the hard disk? SSD? SSD? Maybe 500 GB or GA. GB or GA. Any other? Any other? Maybe graphics card. Maybe graphics card. Like that, you may tell your way. Maybe that person based on this, they may tell the total cost is 64,200 rupees. 64,000, maybe 200 like that. Again, you may bargain. Finally, he may fix, madam, more less than 60,000. 60,000. I can't give. I can't give. Less than 60,000. 60,000. I can't give. Got it or not? After this, you may ask. I need some operating system. I need some operating system. Maybe you may, according to industry, Windows, maybe generally we may follow Windows 95. And also we may follow simply we can say 9x family. 9x family. After that, Windows 2000. Then Windows, maybe XP. Windows, what next? Maybe nowadays we are using 11, right? Maybe Windows 10, Windows 11, like this. Windows 2000, Windows 2003, and 2008, Windows 2008, already given, right? 12, like that. Now we go for Windows 2023. Windows 2023. Now here I given two types of operating system. Quickly try to understand. One is the client based CLINT, client based. Second one is server based. How many of you know the difference between client based and server based? Quickly respond. How many of you know the difference between client based and server based? See, all companies nowadays following this is one server is able to communicate with multiple clients. One server is able to communicate with multiple client systems. They may connect like this. Very easy to understand. This is client 1, this is client 2, this is client 3, assume this is client 4. These clients are connecting to whom? This server. These are the workstation 1. You know the technical words. This is the workstation 2. This is the workstation 3. This is the workstation 4. Workstation 4. See, these systems having peer communication, peer to peer communication. See, assume this is the system 1. System 1 wants to access, this is the system 1 or client 1 wants to access, assume this is client 2. This is client 2, try to understand. This is client 2. See, client 1 wants to communicate with client 2. Client 1 wants to communicate with client 2. Client 1 wants to communicate client 2. Client 2 must give permission. See, without client 2 permission, client 1 cannot communicate. Here the specialty observe. This is the server. This is the server. These servers having these servers having connected with all the four systems. This client 1 able to access client to do data with the help of server directly. See, he is going to communicate like this. This is the procedure. Again, he is giving access to whom? This person. See, my question, client 1 directly communicating with client 2, client 1 is able to communicate through server. Client 1 is able to communicate through server. Server is providing access to clients 2. This is simply we can say what is the advantage final thing is centralized administration. Centralized centralized administration. See, in real time also, we need such type of requirement. We don't want individual requirement. Little bit I provided. If require, I may go for enhancement. This is not our criteria. This is not our criteria. But I thought about Windows, right? I thought about Windows. But as a DevOps engineer, nowadays we are not working with on-premise infrastructure. We are not working on-premise, on-premise infrastructure. We are working with cloud. We are working with cloud infra. We are working with cloud infra. If you want to work with cloud infra, 80% industries, they are following only three types of servers. Maybe Linux, maybe Unix, maybe Ubuntu. They are giving the technical words. Some people may call Linux, some people may call Unix, some people may call Ubuntu. Some people may call RHL, RHL, Red Hat Enterprise Linux on any one server. Maybe less people are working with Windows. Less people are working with Windows. Here, according to our tagline is learning. This is Linux and Shell. Linux, Linux and Shell. If you know how to use the commands, same command you may use Linux, Unix, Ubuntu, or RHL. Maybe here Windows is different, remaining these four are different. Windows is different, these four are different. See here we are calling as PowerShell. You know the word PowerShell. Even industry people may ask, do you know PowerShell? You must clarify. See, I don't know PowerShell. I know Python. Maybe I know Linux. I know Linux. If you give chance to me, I am the quick learner. I can easily manage PowerShell also. But till now, I know Linux only. Why? 80% people are using Linux only. Here, Windows based script is nothing but which script? PowerShell. PowerShell. Here only we are learning which type of shell. Here we are learning. See, observe. Again, they may ask bash shell. Bash shell. SHEL. I hope are you differentiating or not? Are you understanding or not? This is PowerShell. It is the bash shell. Even I don't know PowerShell, but I know little bit. But I can say I don't know. What I know bash shell. Why? Linux based environment we are using, we are knowing Linux command. We may go slowly one by one. If really needed PowerShell, I may give 2 to 3 classes PowerShell. PowerShell learning is difficult. Don't go for difficult process. If you don't know, tell you don't know. If you know, tell we know. They will also accept that. They will also accept that. Okay, good. Now we are entering into Linux environment. You may ask, what is the use of Linux? What is the use of Linux? See, if you do any application, if you want to create any application, I'm going small normal terms, application or maybe program. If you want to develop any application or a program. See, you know the word DevOps engineer, what he may do? What he may do deployment process. Deployment process. If you want to deployment, if you want to implement deployment process, the DevOps engineer must use, must use, must use at least 10 commands. At least 10 commands. Those 10 commands belongs to Linux only. Those command belongs to Linux commands only. At least how many commands? 10 commands. At least today we are starting with the 10 commands only. Here, maximum, suppose in Linux, we're having more than 2 lakhs commands. LAKH, I think. More than 2 lakhs commands. No one can remember 2 lakhs commands. Suppose if you remember 200 commands, you are the professional. You are the professional. We may try in that way. We may try in that way. Suppose see, in if you are sitting in front of your computer, just you go for Windows key, you try to press Windows key, or maybe take the browser. Take the browser. Please observe. I am opening my browser. I am opening my browser. There I am taking new tab. See, try to apply Ubuntu for Windows. Assume Ubuntu for Windows. See, very first tab, Windows subsystem for Linux. Windows subsystem for Linux, or you may go for download Ubuntu desktop, or else Ubuntu 22.04 3 LTS. Shall I go with which tab? Anyone can respond. Whatever the tab, that is our wish. If tab 1 is not properly working, we may go for tab 2. That's all. Anyone can quickly respond. Windows subsystem for Linux. I am clicking tab 1. I am clicking tab 1. I am clicking tab 1. See, download from the Microsoft Store. Download from the Microsoft. Just click once. Just click once. See, once if I click, see here you got Ubuntu or not? Yes. Simply click on download. Simply click on download. It may take 1 minute. It may take 1 minute. Just see here it is. See here it is showing or not. See what I am trying to do is there I am clicking here. See ma, just Ubuntu installer. This is the latest one, right? I'm double clicking. See download unverified file. That is not a problem. Unverified file. Click on it. Click on it. Just it is trying to download and installs. See, if you are sitting in front of, maybe this is the 2 to 5 minutes process. Everybody try it. If anyone facing difficulty, try to share your screen. Try to share your screen. I may guide you. I may guide you. See, I did everything. I did everything. See, once it is over, what to do? Once it is over, what? See, in my system, somewhere, if I go for, see, let me go for Windows, there Ubuntu, Ubuntu. There Ubuntu is displaying or not? Here Ubuntu is displaying or not? Just I am clicking Ubuntu, ma. Just I am clicking Ubuntu. See, it automatically got connected. Why? Because already connected. Already got connected. I may go for exit. We may try it. Exit. Is it exited or not? Just 1 second. I am going to Ubuntu. Ubuntu. Just it may ask 1 second. See, again it is got connected with the root user. See, user root. Till now, anyone facing any difficulty, please respond. You may try for 2 minutes. You may try for 2 minutes. That is not a big problem. No, someone is trying to join. Someone is trying to join. Yeah, Chakrapani, I think you are late. Okay. Please. Okay, good. Already 14 minutes over. Okay, thank you for joining. We are continuing the session. Now, anyone facing difficulty for installing Ubuntu, quickly respond. One or two people. You may ask me, sir, already my AWS account is there. Why should I go for? See, ma, if you are having AWS account, that is not a free service, right? Even though they may say 750 hours free, more than 750, you need to pay. This is local Ubuntu, ma. Local Ubuntu for 10 days, 24 by 7 you may utilize. 24 by 7 you may utilize. That is the advantage. Just like a local kit. Now what I am trying to say, you need to enter into Ubuntu. How can I enter? Am I already entered or not? Check it and tell me. Am I already entered? See, I may use font size. Control plus plus is not working. I may increase the font size. Check it. Properties. Properties 36. Maybe bold. There I may use like see. Now it is look and feel is good, right? Yes or no? How to for very first commandment. How to clear the screen? CLE. There my mouse I am placing. CLE are clear. Is the screen got cleared or not? Again I am typing something. Again I am typing something. Just control L ma. Control L. Control L. This is the shortcut. Shortcut for clearing the screen is Control L. Shortcut for clearing the screen is Control L. How to clear the screen in the sense? What is the command? Just I may go for CLE clear. Very first command, beginning command. See here. Generally, why do we go for operating system? Simply we can say file system. The name itself file system. I need to maintain a file. I need to maintain it. If you want to maintain means I need to create a file. See, how can you create a file? Very first, how can you, how can you, how can you create a file? Create a file. We can create a file by using multiple ways. Very simple, very simple. Here, how to create an empty file? This is the question. This is the entire question. How to create an empty file? You know the command touch. Very beginning command. Touch. Here is the file name. File name, or we can say file names. Either file name or file names. This is the syntax. I may write once again on the MS Paint. Here I may go. See touch space, X space, Y space, Z. What does it mean? There I specified space, right? X space, Y space, Z. What does it mean? X is different file, Y is different file, Z is different file. Just I press enter. See, three files got created. How can I know these files got created? Simply you may go for first assume ls. LS means list. LS means listing. What I need, what I want to see, whatever I got created, those list of items I want to see. These list of items I want to see with the help of long list. See, listing of files and folders in the form of long list. You may ask me, sir, what does it mean long list? What is the file type, what is the file size, when it is created. See, full-fledged information, if you want to see, that is nothing but long list. Which user got created, which group got created, all those total detail. If I mention, see, my file size is how much, ma? 0, 0, 0. This is the file size. If file size is 0, those files are empty files. If file size is 0, those files are empty files. Is it clear for you? Just now I got created. You may ask me, sir, I want to create a file, maybe A to Z. I want to create files A to Z. Please guide me. I want to create files A to Z. No, I want to create files A to Z. Someone is trying to join. Good evening.
Yeah, very good evening.
Okay, thank you. See, I want to create A to Z. There's, touch. Tell me A to Z I want to create. There A already there, B already there, C already there. How can I create? Tell me. See, by using shell script that may be different. Here manually we are creating A X Y Z. A we need to specify B C D E F. G like that, you need to specify. This is the manual process. Again, you need to check ls hyphen l, ls hyphen l. This is the this is the way we can create a file. Just now we got created a file. See, our doubt is okay, once file got created, these files are empty. In this file, I want to add some message. Just now I got created empty file. What is the file name? Assume A. In that A file, I want to provide messages dev apps. Anyone can guide me? I want to provide message dev apps within A file, within the A file. Anyone can guide me? Maybe that is your wish. Whatever the way, we multiple ways we can do it. Maybe you may apply sudo va one process, we may apply echo one process, we may apply cat one process like that. You may tell your wish. Multiple ways to add content to file. File. Anyone? How to add content to file? See, I
Cat
mean,
A.
yeah, cat, good. Cat, greater than symbol, then space. That is the good standard I am giving. Even see, Karthik, cat greater than A. This is also right concept. Cat space, cat greater than A. What does it mean? Cat is the command. Cat is the command. Cat is the concatenate. Concatenate means I am appending something to A with greater than means output redirection with override. I am going to apply, see, welcome, I am writing welcome. If I press enter, I am not exiting. How can I exit? Anyone tell me? How can I exit? By using control C or control D? Tell me, anyone? Control C or control D? By using
Control D.
control D. Control D. Can I check content is there or not? How can I check? 5 to 6 ways to check my content is there or not. Tell me first way, anyone. I want to see my file content. Simple command, cat space A, check it. Am I viewing my output or not? Am I viewing my output or not? Quickly respond. Am I able to see the output or not? Someone is going to enter. Okay. Chakrapan, are you facing any issue? No, right?
Sir, I mean,
Okay, okay. I think you got disconnected again. You are trying to reconnect, right? Okay, no problem. Okay, after this class, you may get video. At least refer that video. Okay. Maybe sometimes maybe connection problem may arise. That is not a problem. Anyway, from here after you may continue. Thank you. I'm going to continuation. Now please observe. See, cat A. I am viewing my content or not? Tell me one or two other ways to view the content. Anyone? Those who are senior. Even one or two senior citizens are there in our batch. I think this is the fourth time or fifth time they are attending also. They know how to view the content. One way is cat with A. Another way. Karthik, you tell me another way. I want to see the content. I want to see the content. These are the simple commands, regularly asked commands. See, I may use more with file name. Check it. More with file name. Am I getting or not? What is the opposite of more? Anyone tell me? What is the opposite of more? I
Less.
want I want more. Some people may say, no, 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 I don't want more. I want less. Less of
Less.
A. Less of A. Am I able to view my content or not? Less of A. Just just Q. Now any other? See, see, cat or head of A, tail of A. See, purpose is different. See, the real purpose is different. Leave it. My question is, can I able to view my content in different ways? Your answer should be yes. That purpose only I am talking. But in depth, if you go, less purpose is different, head purpose is different, tail purpose is different, even cat purpose is also different. Yes or no? But whatever that concept we are applying on that file. See, I want to overwrite welcome. On top of welcome, I want to replace with the dev apps. Quickly respond anyone. Quickly, you may use your there. What is that? Typing window. Chat window is there, right? In our group, chat window is there. Even try to use the chat window. Try to tell me the command. I want to replace. In place of welcome, I want to replace with the dev apps. Quickly, anyone, please, everybody try for that.
Cat cat
Everybody,
greater than
cat greater than
let's say
file name.
DevOps
There you are
file.
expecting dev apps, right? You are expecting dev apps. Now control D. Now again I go for cat space here. Is it overwriting happens or not? Replace it with our
It's
content or
happening.
not? See, now anyone can guide me. I don't want to overwrite dev apps. After dev apps, I want to get welcome. I want to get welcome. How can I get it?
Cat greater
Ca-
than
Cat double greater than what I need to type?
file A
File name,
file
then
name.
welcome, then press enter, then control D. Now
D.
cat with A. Am I getting both or not? Am I getting both or not? Yes, I need to get it. See, we entered some content, there you want to replace with some content, even we want to override some content. Yes or no? By using cat with single greater than. See, for viewing purpose, this is the right command. Cat less than A. This is the input redirection. The word C. This is the input purpose. This is the output purpose. This is also output purpose. I am giving little clue. Output. See, less than is for input. Greater than is for output. Even double greater than is also output. We may discuss slowly. We may discuss slowly. See, my question in this file, how many lines are there? Quickly respond. Here, manually we can check, right? Manually we can check or not. In this file, how many lines are there? How many words are there? How many characters are there? Everybody know it, right? Manually check it and tell me how many lines are there? How many words are there? How many characters are there? Count it quickly. How many lines, Srinath? Total lines, total number of lines. Total number of lines. Two lines or three lines?
Two lines.
Two lines. How
One,
many words, ma?
two,
How many
Two
words?
words.
How
two
many
words.
characters? Please count
Thir-
it. Maybe right or
13
wrong.
characters.
13. We may check it, ma. We may check it. Cat. What is your file name? A. Cat. What is your file name? A. I'm using 5. WC. That's all. See what system is saying? A two lines, A two words, A 15 characters. Some people may have a
Correct.
doubt. See, one, two, three, four, five, six, seventh one, ma. Seventh one. Why seventh one? Enter am I giving, right? Am I given enter or not? Enter also
Yes.
in your keyboard one character or agree with me or not? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Total count it ma now. 6 plus 1,
7
7,
plus
right?
8.
8,
Yes.
9, 10, 11,
Mm.
12, 13, 14. After I did
15.
something, what I did, again I press enter. Again, knowingly, unknowingly, human mentality is once line is finished, what you may do? You may press enter, right? Yes, that's why it is showing how many number of characters? It is showing
15.
15 characters. Is it clear for you? Yes or no? Yes. Now you may ask me, I don't want lines. I want a specific one now. Maybe tell me here what I said. This it represents lines, it represents words, it represents characters. You ask me, Mamaduvani, which one you want? Specific one you need to ask. Either lines or maybe words, or maybe characters.
Oats.
Only words, hyphen, W. See how much easy they provided. That is the advantage of either Linux or Ubuntu. And now you specify other than this anyone.
Lines.
Lines, simply L, lines. In the same way, you want to go with what you want to
Word
see.
count. Characters.
Character count, just to see. Even you can go with this is the MI. Actually, in reality, this is the right one. Both CM output is same, but purpose is different. Output is same, purpose. Try to understand. It represents care. First, have you got the clarity? It represents care. What C represents? Many people may have a doubt. C represent. What does it mean, ma? Just read anyone.
Bytes.
One byte is equal to one character. Everybody know it or not? One byte is
Yes.
equal to one character. That is the simple thing. Is it clear for you? Yes. Now I'm going through documentation. If I go my way, sometimes you may confuse. I don't want to go my way because of once you know minimum things, if I go my way, your understanding is simple. Or else we may go little bit documentation wise. Why already I provided documentation? Please check it. I think everybody got the documentation or not in our group. Check it in our group, check it. Documentation was there or not? Quickly refer it and tell me. In our WhatsApp group, those who are here, just check it, man. In my WhatsApp group, in our WhatsApp group, I provided one documentation. See, yes or no? Linux commands
Yes.
dot PDF. Try to open it, man. Why I'm telling? Why I'm telling? There you need to enter into. Yes, so much theory is there. That is your Vishma. So much theory is there. I don't want to enter into theory. See, Linux file system is there, Linux installation is there, and very maybe I'm directly entering into chapter 4. My in chapter 4, maybe ls is there, date is there, and cal is there. Quickly we may finish these three commands. Quickly we may go and finish these three commands. Just now already I provided, just now already I provided just ls, right? Are you agree with me or not? Ls. What does it mean? Ls means listing, listing of files and directories. Suppose see, please mute it someone, man, ls, man. Man means manual. Man means manual or manuscript. Manuscript. See, ls list directory contents. List directory contents. See, generally, our file system contain both files. Just click on Q mark. Click on Q. See, ls. See, whenever if I give man of ls, it will give total information. Total information. See, really, if you want to learn by using this man script, it may take minimum 1 year now. Minimum 1 year. Max, I don't know. That much of subject is there. But what industry people is say, don't go for every feature. According to industry standard, some features only require. First learn first phase. Second phase means maybe their work they may give. Based on the work, you may search for that, you may try to understand it, you may be implement it. See, very beginning cap small a is there, capital A. We'll try to understand. Maybe try to read here. Hyphen all they given. Hyphen almost all. Now please observe one hyphen if we give, that is the short command. Double hyphen if we give, someone please mute it. Who is that? Yeah, good. Now please observe. I may give maybe short form only. After that I may write a long form. Long form don't go. You never go for long form. Very complex to remember long form options. Anyway, we'll try for that. We can easily understand where I am at, where I need to be. I need to be in second. Good. Now Q, please observe. CLE here clear. LS, I make you like this. See, observe ls hyphen small a and what happens? Observe. That they given one description, small either hyphen a or what they given ma hyphen all. Have you observed or not? Quickly respond. All means everything, including root directory, including current directory. You may ask, sir, where is including root directory? Where is including current directory? A single dot represent current directory. No? Double dot represent root directory. See, for me, my parents are root. My parents, their parents are root. I am the current. I am the current version. My parents are the previous generation. We are calling here according to terminology. Those are the previous version. See, next generation, next version are my child, my children. Are you agree with me? Same procedure. Here also we are following. Again, you may ask, okay, good sir, we are very happy. Try to give capital A and try to explain what happening. What? Command not giving, right? ls hyphen capital A, check it. See, almost all, not alma, almost all. See, someone asked me, how many marks you may get out of 100? Maybe almost 100. Almost 100 means I may get 0 marks, I may get 1 marks, I may get 98, even I may get 100 also. But almost means not 100. 100% not 100. Exactly, I say 100 means out of 100. See, something here missed. Anyone respond? What here is missing? Two things are missed. At least observe and tell me what we may miss here. Dot and double dot. Check it and tell me. Yes or no? Dot and double dot. Generally, we don't want dot and double dot. We never use my dot and double dot in real time directly. We never use. That's why compared to small a, capital A, we may use capital A. Both will never use. Both will never use. But anyway, they given on the description. We are trying to understand. We are trying to understand. Now see, now, various options. There, observe on our documentation. Various options of ls command. Ls already we know, right? It will display all files and directories according to alphabetical order of names. My ls hyphen small r. See, simply they given which order, ma? It will display all files and directories in reverse. I think you know the meaning of reverse, right? Opposite. What is the real requirement of opposite? First, I am going to give ls hyphen l. Try to understand. What is the alphabetical order here? A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Leave about folders now. Try to see the which color ma white color names. Try to see white color names. Have you recognized? Yes or no? Is it an alphabetical order or not? At least tell me the answer. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Alphabetical.
Ma, I'm adding extra letter ma. What I added now? Actually, this meaning is hyphen L hyphen R ma. See, Madhuvani, you want to go to
Yes, sir.
movie? Assumption I'm taking. You want to go to movie? I want to go to movie. You are taking one bike, I am taking one bike. Very first day, you don't know me, I don't know you. That's why we are going with two different bikes. See, after 1 week, we are very close assumption, ma. What you may do? Either I may go with your bike or you may come with my bike. Got it or not? In the same process, see here, what I am trying to do, I got an answer or not? First, observe the answer.
Reverse
Yeah,
format.
see, even in reverse also, this is the right procedure. See, why should I go for two hyphens? Time based, right? Memory based, right? Got it or not? Very simple. Why got? See, industry people even see in real time LS hyphen LTRA. This is the knowingly, unknowingly they are giving. If you ask your maybe friends also, why are you giving this much of? My manager said, my boss said, that's why I'm using. They are also using same way. This is the regular command, even you check it as a DevOps engineer. Per day, they may use 3 to 4 times. We'll try to understand these things. Already you know little bit. What you know little bit. Yeah, already you know. Are you agree with me? What does it mean? A means what? All or almost all. Anyone quickly tell me the answer? Your response is important. Attending
All, sir.
is almost all or all. All the including dot and including double dot. Including all, we'll check it, Masi. Including dot and double dot. Here is there or not? Just check it. At the end dot is there. At the beginning, double dot is there. Anyway, we got it or not? Now we'll try to understand. L already you know. What does it mean? L. L means what? Quickly respond. L means quickly respond. Here we need to know each word. That is my way. I am going to give clarity for each word, each letter. Now, what is the letters here we took? Please quickly respond. What is the letters? L T.
Or A.
Yeah, LTRA. I am giving clear clarification. Please quickly observe. First one is hyphen L. L means long list.
Long listing.
Long listing. Good. LISTIN. Now take another letter. Your wish me. In LTRE, you may take your wish.
T only.
T. Anyone can just guess it. Maybe what does it mean? T. Very easy to recognize. T means maybe time. Are you agree with me? Maybe time. But maybe 50% right answer, not the right answer. Modified,
Date and
modified time, modified time. What is the meaning, ma? I may show you. So simple example, you may get the clarity. Modified time. What does it mean, modified time? But today you created one file, ma. Very good. Tomorrow you may modify your file. Are you agree with me? You may do little change based on the change. See, You, you and me, maybe Ramya, maybe Siva, like that, 10 people are there. 10 people got created 10 files. Which is the latest file? Who knows, ma? Which is the latest file? Computer only knows. How computer knows? If you give hyphen T only, it can recognize. Otherwise, it will give alphabetical order. Got it or not? Shall we go further? I may show you simple example. Shall I go it? Okay, anyway, we'll write four things. And next one, tell me. LT or R means
reverse.
reverse. What is the next one?
A. All
A.
files.
All files. All, all, all files. Good. Now, here I want to show you T means. How to recognize T means. Now, see, quickly observe ls hyphen lr. This one up to this, up to this, This is in 100% reverse order. 100% reverse order. We are very happy. I may change quickly. Which file I want to change, ma? A file I want to change. A file I want to change. Can I go and change once again? And now tell me how to change my A content. How to change my A content? Cat double greater than A double greater than A. I'm writing MADHUVANI. Even I can give here control D. Here itself, that is not a problem. Control D. Yeah. Now, see, I may use previous command. Is there any difference? Madhuvani garu. Is there any difference? See, I changed my content. We are happy. But is there any change? Reverse means data in reverse order only. But see here,
Yes, sir. No.
no difference. T I am giving. T. Again, see, check it. Again, see, check it. Is there any difference? Quickly refer and tell me. Quickly refer and tell me. Is there any
We
difference?
can't see.
We
We
can't.
can't see any
We
difference.
can't see any difference. Maybe at middle file you try to change one. Middle file. Tell me anyone middle file. Anyone middle?
G.
G. We may go for G. G. Or else I may go very simple way. I may remove reverse. Then only you will get the clarity. Here itself you can say. See, A again alphabetical, right? You may not recognize. Okay, you may go for G. Cat double greater than G, ma. Maybe welcome, welcome. Control D. Enter it. ls hyphen l. ls hyphen lr. Now there is no difference. Observe, there is no difference, right? If I use team T, LTR. Now have you recognized any difference? Check it. 100% you may get the difference now. 100% you may get the difference. Even though what I applied L T R, even though reverse alphabetical order is good, but at the end check it. What is the end file name?
G, sir.
G. Why we got end file name? Based on the modified type. Based on the even I may remove arm reverse order. Now check it once again. You feel again once again very happy. Very beginning modified. But in real time, why don't you go for why they are going for T means observe how they are going for R means reverse. Check it at the end. Suppose 100 pages are there. You want to see first page very beginning? No. You want to see last page only. Or understanding or not? You may see only last page, ma. If whatever it is modified, if you view on the last page, is it good or maybe directly you may go to first page is good? Tell me. According to computer, all the modifications where it will display at the end only.
End only.
If I want to see at the end, which is the right command? LTR. Not only that, we are adding what? A. A means what? A. See, show me all the files. Show me all the files. Even though it will show all the files, again, which file I am able to see at the end? Whatever currently modified,
Modified.
whatever latest, got it or not? This is the very, that's why industry people are using this command. LTRA, some people may use LRTA also. Again, you may ask why they given LRTA. You may change and tell me, no, that is not the right word. Maybe we are using LTRA only. They may say. I hope you got the purpose, you got it or not. Whether LTRA or LRTA, LATR, whatever it may be, order is not important. Command order is not important. Output is important. Is it clear or not? Is it clear or not?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Now we are moving to quickly documentation. Where is the documentation? Yes. See, ls hyphen more I said, ls hyphen, this is my page wise. The display content, page by page. Maybe I may leave one or two options. You may check it and you try to ask me. See, T means based on the time, RT means reverse on time, A means almost or, A means all, capital A means almost all. See, ls hyphen capital F ma. See, file format also to display all files by type. Here we are not having all the files by type. We may check it ma. ls hyphen capital F. ls hyphen capital F. Check it. ls hyphen capital F. See, is it showing only slash, right? Are you understanding or not? Slash. Wherever slash is there, that represents folder mark. That represents a directory. That represents a directory. See here my cursor here is there right slash. Here is the slash. This represents a directory. If any link file is there, maybe different look and feel, I may create quickly link file now. Maybe see ln capital A. That means capital A ln A. See, link file I am creating A is the existing file. I am creating link file for A. Check it. Now I am applying previous command. ls hyphen capital A. Any difference? Till now there is no difference, right? Till now there is no. I may go for soft. I may go for soft link. Soft link. ln hyphen yes. Hyphen yes. This Ubuntu may show or not, we don't know. There I may go for SL soft link. Soft link. We may try for. See, till now there is no difference. Till now, even see, you may get small difference, right? Have you recognized or not? LNSL. My at the rate symbol. Is it recognized or not? Anyone respond?
Yes, sir. Recognized.
Now check it in our document also maybe there. Document also check it. What it representing? Quickly respond.
Link file.
At the rate.
At
You may
the rate.
ask, where is the star? Shall we go and create a star file? Star file. How can I create star file? See, man. We may go for cat, double greater than, maybe file one dot shp. What I given my cat double greater than file one dot sh. See, calendar, date, I given two commands, calendar, date. I may give touch, 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 1, 2, 3. This is my intention. Control D. What I am trying to do, see, chmod, change mode. First of all, observe ls-l, ls-l. Where is my file? Somewhere file1.sh is there, right? Till now, it is not an executable file. Till now, it is not an executable file. How can I create? chmod, change mode, u plus x, file1.sh. Now try to observe. Maybe file look and feel may be changed. Is it changed or not? Tell me quickly. Observe and tell me file one. Look and feel got changed or not? Yes or no? See, my file one dot sh is something modified. Where it is modified, ma? My cursor somewhere moving. Check it and tell me where it is moving. What is the letter name? What is the letter name?
X. X,
X.
sir. Or W X R.
X means executable. Try to understand now. X means what? Executable.
Execute.
R means read. W means write. Now we may check it. Maybe am I getting proper output or not? See, star is visible for you. Yes or no? Clear?
Yes.
Star represents executable. At the rate represent link file. Nothing is there means regular file. Nothing is there means regular file. Slash is there means directory file. In Linux, in Ubuntu, there is no directories. Directory file. Yes or no? There is no the word directory. If you say directory, you may wrong. If you say directory file, you are perfect. I hope little bit you got the clarity. Now see the two disable colors. See some colors, two different colors, right? Two disable colors. See no color. All are in white color. My industry, they never use color purpose. They're using their work purpose. But anyway, that is also one option. That is also an option they give. My LS hyphen IMA, this is one of the powerful techniques. In future I may use, but today I am showing you LS hyphen L IMA. Try to observe one extra column, you may get it. And have you got it or not? An extra column. Check the difference, small difference. Have you recognized small difference? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. ID number.
Ah, yeah, I node ma. Which node ma? I
I know.
node. I node means that is the identification number. Identification number. See, just like you are having one Aadhaar number, right? Like here also, every file having one unique ID number. One unique ID number. I know. That big story is that we may discuss in future. See, R means C. Here in Linux, you need to remember one thing. Small r is different meaning, capital R is different meaning. First, you need to recognize. Linux is case sensitive. Windows case insensitive. In Windows, small r same purpose, capital R same purpose. But in Linux, each letter having specific meaning. Each letter, even see, in previous scenario, somewhere I used small a, somewhere we used capital A. Are you agree with me? Both are same output or both are different output? Quickly tell me. Both
Different
were
also.
gives different output only. Yeah, slowly we are learning, we are increasing our knowledge. Yes, sir. This is case sensitive. We must understand, we must implement. See, in the same way, you may ask me, when can I use capital R? See, I may use capital R, I may not get much difference, man. I may not get much difference. Here, is there any difference? Quickly respond. Nothing is there. Is there any difference? Nothing. Maybe small you may folder to somewhere you may see, folder one somewhere you see. Are you agree with me? Yes or no? See, what is the use? I may tell you quick uses. See, again ls hyphen l I am giving. See, if I use ls hyphen l, please mute it. Okay. Whenever you talk to me, then only you can mute. A small disturbance is getting. Small disturbance is getting. Now see here, everybody try to observe. Now this is the folder one folder. Now what I am trying to do, see TOUCH. I'm going to give a folder one there slash file there one dot. I'm going to explain. Within the folder one, I'm going to create 10 files. I'm going to create 10 files. See what is the advantage? I'm entering into folder or maybe ls-l. I want to see folder one, how many files are there? Folder one, how many files are there? Check it. See slash one. Am I able to view all the files? Yes or no? Yes or no? Quickly respond. Am I able to view or not? Now simply ls hyphen l I am giving. See, I am trying to see folder one as it is, folder two as it is. In folder one, some files were there, some files already exist. Can I able to see folder one files? Anyone can quickly respond. Can I able to see folder one files? Yes or no? Can I able to see or not by using this command? No. If I use capital R, what happens? You observe and tell me. What happens? You observe and tell me. See, this is the general content. After that, somewhere folder one is there. This is the folder one content. My understanding and a small difference. Anyone can explain, anyone can respond. What is the small difference just now have you recognized? Anyone? What Karthik? What Srinagar? Are you there? What have you recognized? What Karunakar? Are you there, right? Karunakar? Are you there or not?
Yes,
Hello.
sir.
Karunakar, have you seen folder one files previous scenario? No, right? Now I am. Now I am viewing. Now I am viewing. Is the meaning of recursive means internal what contain, again internal what contain. In that way we can see. Now see the time. I think time is 6, right? Remaining things will continue tomorrow. Thank you. Just today try to install operating system Ubuntu. If not possible, try to connect with me. I'll tell you how to install. Karunakar, try for installation. If any problem, contact me at 8 p.m. Okay. Thank you.